You should, first and foremost, get a pen, get a paper, compile your questions in advance. Before you walk into a partner, you want to take a moment, step back, think about the questions that you might want to ask. You might want to read the partner's bio before the meeting. You might want to get a sense, ask around, ask about this partner and what he or she likes to see from summer associates or from associates in general. And you want to be prepared. You don't want to be going back and forth, back and forth. So you want to walk in with enthusiasm and ready to roll, ready to take down notes, and to be poised and ready with questions.
If you're going to go into a meeting with a partner, you want to know who that person is. So at a minimum, I would suggest going to the firm website, looking up their bio. Oftentimes, if a partner is working with you, there's some reason. For example, maybe they're from your undergraduate institution, maybe they're an alum of your law school. There's often a reason, and it's great if you can know what that reason is so you can sort of allude to it when you get there. The other thing, always bring a pencil and a piece of paper, preferably a pad of paper. You need to be writing things down. And one other tip, brush your teeth. You don't want to go in with something stuck in them, so always have a toothbrush ready to go.
Negative feedback is tricky. We're all very, very sensitive to criticism, whether it's constructive criticism or sometimes insensitive criticism, as the case may be in a law firm. Your best bet is to embrace any negative feedback or constructive criticism. See it as a learning opportunity. Look forward to that constructive criticism, because the only way that you're going to get better in your career, the only way that you're going to move forward is through the help and motivation of the other attorneys in your firm.
This is the one area that I think summer associates need to kind of step back a little bit and accept the negative feedback and then turn it around into a positive. Most times, a summer associate is going to make a mistake. This is, for many people, their very first job. And so it's real important when someone criticizes either your writing or your approach or your research, that you take their criticism, go back, and then turn it around.
I've written about mentoring in The Opportunity Maker, and really want people to understand that mentoring is not about, we think of mentoring as the junior person meeting the senior person and just taking all of the great information that the senior person has and then leaving them. And really what you want is to ultimately have a mutual relationship where you learn something about that person and they learn something about you, and you can in some way be mutually supportive. And when you're thinking about this, think about how you can learn something and share something with your mentor.
Sorry, I didn't finish your project. I was busy last night at a summer baseball game.
Excuses. Partners never want to hear excuses.
I don't have your deliverable, or I was never told.
That you're going to miss a deadline on the day of the deadline.
Partners never want to hear a second excuse.